right, y'all, so let me tell y'all something.
We are back with another banger. Come on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany. Y'all already know. I'm just here to give y'all some quick information, updates of what's been going on with the lace. Lace closures, lace frontals, lace wigs, full lace wigs, all of that. So my business has definitely transitioned a little bit. I 100% only sell raw hair now. I try to keep Brazilian hair, Malaysian hair, Peruvian hair, whatever you want to call it. It all come from China. Let me just say that. I try to keep it in the loop, but it is just too inconsistent for me. It doesn't give me the quality standards like I love, and I just don't feel comfortable letting y'all wear, not to say it's bad hair, but just letting y'all wear something that's not gonna, last you for a long time. Honestly, I've had a lot of my wigs for a very long time, and all of my wigs that I've had for longer than a year definitely have been my raw hair. Raw Indian, raw Cambodian, my raw Burmese hair. It's definitely been long term with those types of hairs versus Brazilian hair or hair from China. Now, their price range for Brazilian hair, absolutely great, but the quality, it's still good, but it's not, it's not great. And honestly, the way my brand is headed, I'm only headed to greatness. So I had to upgrade and only sell raw hair now. So definitely all my prices across the board are a little bit higher, which is fine because you're getting the quality and what you deserve out of your wigs and your bundles and things like that. So lace from, let me say, my Brazilian hair vendors, which is China. They've had a situation. So they went from not being able to supply HD lace in the quantities that everybody needed them to starting to make their own lace closures and frontals, because you guys know Korea was the main, manufacturer for all this stuff, to starting to make their own. There were so many hairstylists, so many hair sellers and things like that who had issues with the knots being too big. And when I say too big, I mean huge, you guys, huge. Like, you couldn't even bleach the knots. You had to bleach them maybe 2 to 3 times in order to even get it to be wearable. So they had so many issues with that. Even my Brazilian hair vendors included. Like, I'm not exempt for none of the drama. So anytime that I had somebody place a custom Brazilian hair order and I'm looking at these knots that are coming in and I'm like, oh my God, what am I going to do? I like my clients' wigs to be laid, and I don't want them to have any issues. And if I can't bleach the knots, I don't expect my clients to have to do anything. You guys know with QB Wig Collections, every wig that I sell comes ready to wear. No bleaching needed, no tweezing needed, none of that. So I'm the one that does everything to the hair that I get. So when I get hair and I can't bleach the knots or I can't tweeze the hairline because the knots are so big that I can't even tweeze it enough to pull out, then I have an issue. Then I have a problem. I've sent my Brazilian hair vendors several messages as to what the hell is going on. Why does my lace look like this? And they explained to me that, we've been making our own lace. Our people are making the lace now. So they're not going to be, exactly the same. And I'm like, F that. I don't care. If it wasn't going to be the same quality that you were selling before, then I should have been notified before I purchased this product. So now I can't even sell it. Or if I sell it, I got to discount it because of how horrible it is. So it was just a mess. So I started only ordering my closures and my frontals and hair from my raw Indian and raw hair vendors because they came with the same consistency that everybody should come with. That's all I'm saying. And for me, I feel like my clients stay with me because I do the same things every time. Like, I'm not gonna switch it up. If your appointment is at 9, I'm gonna be here at 9. If you say you want your hair colored this way, I'm gonna color it this way. If you say this is what you want, then I give it to you exactly this the way you say you want it. And for vendors to tell me that, you know, I can't get my money back or whatever the case is because, you know, it's the same thing, blase, blase, blase. No, not cool with that. Gotta ditch you. I'm good. I don't have time for that. And my clients for sure ain't got time for that because when they want their hair done, they want their hair done and they want it done a certain way. And that's the right way. That's all I'm saying. So now that little rant is y'all saw me, because I'm still mad about that, y'all. It happened a little while ago and man, they had me mad. So my raw hair vendors, they've always made their own lace closures, lace frontals, and so on and so forth. So there was no really, you know, things going on with them. They did get a little low in the lace, but they've always given me the same thing every single time, and I've never had any problems with them. So raw hair is what it's gonna be from now on at QB Wig Collections, and you guys should be thankful because you guys deserve the very best out of everything that I put out. You guys deserve the best. You guys have been my biggest supporters. My clients know who they are, the ones who come to me consistently, and they're just great. I just love you guys so much. And so that's what it's just gonna be from QB Wig Collections, raw hair only. And if y'all was wondering, the hair I have on right now is my raw Burmese curly. And honestly, I've ran my fingers through it so much today that, I mean, it's just, ooh, I custom colored this. And when I say last minute and random, I just kind of put some highlights in it. And then I did a all over color with a caramel brown. And this is exactly the way it came out. And I'm so freaking excited and I love it. I can't wait to like wet her up a little bit more. But I'm gonna show you guys, I think I have a picture. I'm gonna show you guys a picture or like a video clip of what the hair looked like before I colored it and then after. And I just love that it kept its curl pattern. You guys know I use the top-notch hair coloring products for coloring hair because I do not want any type of breakage. I do not want you guys to lose your curl patterns at all when it comes to raw hair, because raw hair is literally, you know, real hair and you have to take care of it the right way. So I use the best coloring products and I'm so excited. So if you guys want this hair, DM me. I have it for sale on my website, but if you want a wig like this, you can place a custom wig order and have it available for you. Y'all already know I got all the raw hair needs that you need. So just go to my website, y'all. QBWigCollections.com. All right, so I'm just ranting on now at this point. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys from hearing me talk about the things that's been going on with QB Wig Collections, and I'll come to you guys with another video on updates and reviews and more hair videos and things like that. So bye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.